person you want to work or study with. Describe a person you want to work or study with. You should say who this person is, how long you worked or studied together, what you did together, why you like to work or study with this person. I'd like to share with you one of the most extraordinary teammates I've ever had, Sarah, a friend and colleague who excels at handling things effectively. You might have experienced the immense power of teamwork yourself. If not, trust me, teamwork conquers even the craziest challenges and often helps you go the extra mile. A few years ago, I had the opportunity to work with Sarah on a major university project. At first, we hardly knew each other, but we had to work together for a whole semester. What began as a simple partnership turned into 6 months of great teamwork that extended far beyond just that single project. Our project was quite demanding. We had to research a complex topic, gather information from various sources, conduct interviews, and finally present our findings to the entire class. Fortunately, Sarah and I made a great team, because our strengths complemented each other. She was incredibly organized, while I tended to be more creative in solving problems. We spent countless hours in the library, divided tasks fairly, reviewed each other's work carefully, and prepared thoroughly for our presentation. Sarah was brilliant at organizing large amounts of information and spotting important details that I might have overlooked in the blink of an eye. I helped by thinking of new ways to show our findings. Together, we made a great project that both our professor and classmates liked. What made Sarah such an outstanding study partner was not only her organizational skills, but also her collaborative spirit. She never tried to control everything, but she always had good ideas that helped make our work better. Sarah was great at asking the right questions, which helped us find problems in our work that we needed to fix. Whenever we faced obstacles, like struggling to collect crucial data, Sarah remained calm, optimistic, and focused on finding practical solutions. She also reminded us not to burn out, insisting on taking short breaks, celebrating small victories, and keeping things in perspective even when deadlines were tight. Her great sense of humor kept our spirits high, even during the most stressful periods. Her love of learning made even the boring parts of research feel interesting. All in all, working with Sarah taught me that successful teamwork requires mutual respect, complementary skills, and a shared commitment to excellence. Our project got top grades and also made us good friends. To this day, Sarah's thoughtful, supportive, and inquisitive approach is exactly what I look for in a teammate. It's the kind of partnership that proves that two heads are better than one. Phrases and idiomatic expressions. Extraordinary teammate. An exceptionally good person to work with in a team, excels at handling things effectively, is very good at managing tasks and solving problems well. The immense power of teamwork, the great strength or benefits that come from working together, conquers even the craziest challenges, overcomes very difficult or unexpected problems, go the extra mile, put in more effort than necessary, do more than what's expected, had the opportunity to, got the chance to do something, hardly knew each other, barely knew one another, were almost strangers, turned into, changed into something else, far beyond just that single project, extended beyond the specific project into other areas. Quite demanding, difficult, requiring a lot of effort or skill. Gather information from various sources, collect data from many different places, complemented each other, Had different strengths that worked well together. Countless hours. A huge amount of time. So many hours it's hard to count. Divided tasks fairly. Shared the work equally and justly. Reviewed each other's work carefully. Checked and gave feedback on each other's work thoroughly. Prepared thoroughly. Got ready in a very complete and detailed way. Spotting important details. Noticing small but significant facts or points. In the blink of an eye. Very quickly. Almost instantly. Outstanding study partner. An excellent person to study or work with. Collaborative spirit. A willingness to work together with others. Faced obstacles. Encountered difficulties or challenges. Remained calm. Optimistic and focused. Stayed peaceful. Hopeful and attentive. Practical solutions. Realistic and useful ways to fix problems. Burn out. Become exhausted or overly stressed from working too hard. Celebrating small victories. Taking time to feel good about minor successes. Keeping things in perspective. Remembering the bigger picture. And not getting overwhelmed. Kept our spirits high. Maintained a positive mood and motivation.
Preparing these sample answers takes a lot of time, but your support keeps me going. If you find my content helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and connect with me through these links. I've also added them in the video description. Your encouragement means everything to me.